Hi guys, hope you're all well. Recently I made a video about my thoughts on the Elgato HD60 capture card, and in it I explained that it could be quite difficult to set up the software and connect the Elgato to your console. And I did promise that I would make a video about how to make it as easy as possible for you. And here it is. Enjoy the video guys. Take care. So let's start by setting up the equipment, which can be very fiddly. The Elgato HD60 comes with a USB cable that has a USB 3.1 Type-C connector on one end and a standard USB 3 Type-A connector on the other end. The USB cable also powers the Elgato Game Capture HD60S software. Elgato Game Capture HD60S connects to modern game consoles using HDMI cables, and it will need two HDMI cables to connect everything together. Here you can see the technical specifications of the device. It's important to check out the system requirements prior to purchasing one of these devices, as if your PC, laptop or Mac falls short, then it will mean you can't run the necessary software. Now let's set up the equipment. First of all, grab the HDMI cable that comes in the box. Insert one side into your console HDMI output and the other end in the HDMI import of the Elgato, which is the side with the smallest slot and the headphone jack as well. Next, grab another HDMI cable. You want to put one end of the cable in the HDMI output of the Elgato device and the other end into your TV. Now you want to grab your USB lead and put the smaller USB into the Elgato and the larger end into your computer, laptop or Mac. Before we get started with installing the software onto your PC or laptop, there's a key step we need to take. On your PlayStation 4 homepage, you want to go to Settings, scroll down to System, then scroll down until you see Enable HDCP and the box will likely be checked. Untick the box by tapping X. Select Yes on the pop-up screen. This will ensure your gameplay is in the correct format to be captured by the Elgato. Okay, now onto the Elgato Game Capture software. So first, go to the web browser on your PC or laptop that you want to run the Game Capture software on. You want to visit elgato.com/gaming/download and visit the website. When on the website, scroll down to find two dark blue drop-down menus. Go ahead and select HD60 and Windows or Mac depending on which system you're using. Now scroll down to the Game Capture for Windows download and click the blue download button. Once you've installed, open the Game Capture software. On the landing page, we can see Capture and Edit at the top. You want to be on the Capture tab and have your device plugged into your console to see the gameplay footage show up on the Game Capture screen. In order to record or stream, simply press the relevant button on the Capture page. Once you have finished recording, press the record button again to stop recording, and the same with streaming. If you want to upload your captured content or edit it, visit the Edit tab. To upload onto YouTube or other social media, you'll need to connect to the respective accounts of the Game Capture software, and if you'd like a more detailed explanation on how to do this, please let me know in the comments. I hope you got value from this guide, as I know I had trouble connecting everything up when I first got the device. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for future content. Take care guys.